Okay, welcome guys to the day 4.2. Today we will learn about the workflow with the if node. As you see, we have the schedule trigger, the HTTP Timișoara, and for condition, the if rain, if cold, and if hot. And for these three if, we have four set node. The first set node is rain, cold, hot, and weather Timișoara. Okay. The if rain for Timișoara. Let's see what is here. Okay, example. We have at the input the weather from Timișoara, that is like that, JSON weather text. And if this contains the word rain, executing, we go to, if it's true, we go to message rain. This message will be today in Timișoara. Let's execute. Okay, let's see now. Will be like this. Today in Timișoara it is raining and it is the temperature for today. Take an umbrella if it contains the word rain. Good. If not, we go to the false branch, to the if not cold, and here we have the temperature, and if it's less than 10 degrees, we will go to this message that will be today in Timișoara it is cold, dress warmly. Okay, and it is, if is false, we go here to the if hot node, and the true condition for if hot is if it's greater than 30 degrees. If that is correct, we will go here to the hot node, to the set hot node, and we have this message today in Timișoara it is very hot, stay hydrated. Okay, and if is false, we go to the and see the message the weather in Timișoara, how it is. And let's execute and you see today in Timișoara is the at degree and it's mostly clear. That is the message because it's not greater than 30 and less than 10, and it's also is not raining. Good. We go to the Telegram, and here we also put this JSON and the message. The message from here, you see here, this is that the Node Telegram takes this message. Okay, we make also the workflow for the Bucharest with if rain 1, if cold 1, if hot 1. If rain 1, if is true, go to rain 1, that we have the value today in Bucharest, it is raining and it's the temperature. Take an umbrella. This is the Telegram message for Bucharest. Also you have this JSON message. Execute. Okay, and you have today in Bucharest it is the time, the degree and the weather. And I receive on my Telegram today in Bucharest it is weather partly cloudy. Let's execute all the workflow now to see how it runs. You see, first go to Timișoara and after that execute the Bucharest. That is the order that the node will be executed. Let's zoom in. Okay. I think that is all for today. So what you learn today? You learn the condition with the if node. So For tray if node you need for tray if node you need for set node, because we have true. First if is true and then go to false with another condition. Okay. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.